Hey, what's up, guys? Haven't done EDC in a while and haven't really made a video in a while. It's been busy. Life's been busy. Been doing things. Most of the spare time I use to my making videos, I dedicated now to my kid. So yeah, that's why I returned home. Anyways, let's not ramble. I suppose some of you are watching me first time, so this was my EDC for the past couple of months. Well, yeah, and I have some things in rotation, but this was pretty much it. I have my thick fat wallet. Let's get boring things out of the way, and I'm gonna upgrade it to a pocket, uh, front pocket wallet. This is a jacket wallet because it's thick. I like this type of wallets because they're very practical. You can store coins in there, money, and all sorts of things. Even this pocket here, it's very practical. However, it's getting summer is approaching, so yeah. Speaking of summer, I've been tooting my spring fragrance. It can go on summer as well, but yeah. Eros by Versace. Love this thing. Got this as a gift. Fun fact, I never purchased a perfume my entire life. I have a collection, but I never purchased with my own money. It was all gift. I have a classic sunglasses. I always need to have some sort of a sunglasses with me. And I have these Wayfarers classic. I had the Wayfarers with the blue crystal, with the blue glass. They were cool as fuck. And I lost them. And I also crushed my Persol 714 Steve McQueen folding sunglasses with the seat belt in my pocket. So yeah, another sad story. And what else I crashed is my keychain accessory. It's a Leatherman bruiser. No, it's a Leatherman squirt. Yeah, the tiny Leatherman. And I broke the pliers. Can you imagine that? I was trying to bend a tin foil. It was not even. That heavy duty. Something like a spring bar, if you're a watch guy, like a heavy duty spring bar from Seiko. Speaking of watches, been wearing my moon watch on and off. I'm using this old colder days to wear my weather band watches more, and I love moon watch. This is a Mega Speedmaster Professional, and this watch, it's a cool fucker. Look at this. Qualified by NASA for manned space missions. The first watch worn on the moon. So yeah, there's quite a lot of history to this one. So you can just, if you want to learn more about this, do a search. Omega Moonwatch or Speedmaster Professional, and this watch is boring to me. It gets boring. I almost sold it, but I talked myself out of it. So I want. There's another watch I want, and I need to get rid of this to get it, but I cannot. When I wanna go fancy, I wore this. This is my GG Lecoute. And no, I'm not a rich fucker. I'm just a watch aficionado, watch enthusiast, and I love watches for a long time. So these are my babies. So yeah, I'm wearing torn t-shirts, but I have something like this. This is also a very cool watch. If you're new to watches and you're watching this as an easy DC guy, this one is called Reverso. Check this out. You can reverse it and wear it like this. You can see the movement here. The idea behind this reversing it, as this was original a sports watch for polo players, and where they were playing polo, the faces got smashed crystal, so they had this solid steel back in the day, and they just do this, and you wear a watch like this. But yeah, I don't do that, but yeah, it's a cool, also very cool historic piece. And another cool historic piece. This was my rotation. I have another piece that was in my rotation, but it's not here with me. This was also in my rotation. This is a G-Shock DW5600, the classic square G-Shock. These are like 60 bucks on Amazon. You can get them. I will link you in the description box. Just a classic. I love the square shaped G-Shocks. These are my favorites. And also it was a gift, but it's my favorite G-Shock because of the shape, and it's not bulky, it's not fat on a wrist, so I enjoy it quite a lot. From gym to swimming to the outdoors, to the barbecues. The other day it was International Work Day, Fête de Travail, International Work Day. It was May the 1st in Europe, and we celebrated a little bit of a barbecue outdoors, and this was perfect companion for this. So those were my watch rotation. Somehow I always end up EDCing this one. This was my first Spyderco ever, and this is a Spyderco, yeah, Persistence, I want to say. It's all grimy from the barbecue that I had on the May 1st. Was yesterday, the day before yesterday. It's all grimy. It's my first Spyderco. The very cool, and also the one of the affordable line of Spydercos, but still, it's my favorite. It was a gift from Laura. If you're watching, hi Laura, thank you so much. I still have it, and I will always have it. I always carry this guy here. I have other knives. I have lots of blades actually, but somehow, somewhere, I always end up choosing this one to put in my pocket. I don't know why, but nevertheless, I like Spydercos because the Spidey hole, and I guess from YouTube culture, it's kind of very cool. The other day at my work, which is pretty much office environment, my boss handed me the apple, so I pulled this one and I peeled the apple. So yeah, it was very cool. Love it. And very cool blade. And on my keys, because ever since I moved, my wife keeps stealing my keys, and she's been keep stealing my keys, and now I attached a whole bunch of stuff on my keys, so she never steals it them again. And I always want the big bulky keys on my keychain. I have this Phoenix EO5. Maybe it's working, maybe it's not. I need to update it. Something is going on with this one. It's not the battery. I think it's gave its life, but I still have it. Also a gift from Laura. Hi Laura. I have a cash stash. I think I don't have anything in this piece here, but sometimes I will put some money in here. It's watertight. People use it to put some pills or whatever. I put some money in here so I can buy some spare beers in warm days or whatnot. And yeah, I have another one of those Spyderco. And since my leatherman broke, I attached this here with those mini Swiss Army knife. It has scissors and everything, but everything a bruiser has except for the pliers. So yeah, a bunch of keys and stuff, and yeah, now my keys are safe, and no one no one's stealing my keys because they're huge, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm EDC Gunner, and this was my EDC update. I love EDC updates, and I've been guilty of not uploading recently. That's because I I I returned home from Germany and from all the other places I've been because to spend more time with my kids, because now it's the time he actually needs his dad. And yeah, I'm a bit poorer now, but yeah, uh, the time will pass. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will try to make some more videos. See you guys.